Hey everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Review. This is Bart Whitfield, my right-hand man. We found some bricks around the shop here, and he already created a walkway, walk path to the end, breaking up this extra gravel we had. Made a nice little path, and we're using some odds and ends bricks and pavers we found, and we ended up finding a whole another bucket full of bricks and pavers. So Bart's going to be installing them today.
I'm getting ready to level my ground, so it's even with the mat that's already down.
All right. So we did this over here, and they came out real nice. A lot of people give away bricks and pavers, and you can pick them up at job sites, and that's where we've got most of our bricks from. And I kind of wish I would have put them over in this area, but we were working that day and had a couple guys working. We ended up just putting them down each side of the driveway, but they're really holding up. Sometimes the dump truck comes in and crushes the ones on the back side, so you got to really make sure they're installed properly and nice and level, because if not, if you have big heavy duty trucks like big dumpster trucks and stuff pulling in, they will break them eventually. But our bigger trucks, like the F-250s and chip trucks and stuff like that, like more of your light duty commercial trucks, they usually don't seem to bother them. But like you see, we put them almost everywhere. I did have to buy some 1-foot pavers. We put them throughout the shop. These aren't really good for driving on, but great for making a walkway or sidewalk or what have you. The bricks seem to be a little bit sturdier. The smaller the brick, probably the better. They can absorb more pressure, and we mount them like this. That way the water can go through them. That way you don't create puddles. So actually, this is the best way to do it. That way you have proper drainage. You do get some weeds and stuff growing through. You just put some weed killer on them, and it's low maintenance. So Bart's gonna go ahead and create another walkway here. And we also have some sand too we can put down in there to help stabilize them and continue on. So this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. We'll come back with Bart and see how what kind of progress he makes later in the day.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Crush the like button, subscribe.
Thumbs up.
All right, thank you.